All right, we are verified with our Seesaw account now. So I am going to show you how you're going to get logged back in so that it works for in the morning. Again, please do this tonight so that it's easier for your student to get logged in the morning. What we're going to do is the link that is in this video. It says Clever, click on that, and this is the screen you're going to come to. And make sure you do this on your child's device, whatever they are doing, so that we can save the Clever information as well. Some of you have already logged into Clever. That's great. If you have it accessible, I still need you to log back into Seesaw, but these first few steps will not be applicable if you have already saved Clever to your bookmarks bar and your child is already logged in. So we're going to log in with Google. I have already logged in as our friend Millie. What it's going to do is it's going to ask Millie to enter her email address, and it's again first name dot last name at student.pgtigers.org, and then that password that I sent out. And you will get to this page is where you will be. Again, we're going to Heart Miss Tyree's third grade, and this is where you are going to find these resources that you need. Now, this looks the exact same. The biggest difference is our Seesaw now says district, which means the state has given access to the district and everybody is uploaded the way that they should be now. So we are going to click Seesaw, and it is going to tell us that, hey, we know you have an account, but you need to sign in again. And we're going to do that. Here, we're just going to click OK. You're going to click I'm a student. And instead of doing this first part, I have a new code for you. It is not the same code that we have been using. It is ZSAVCJXG. Go. Now, this is where I said you can create an account. We are not going to do that. We have a Google account. We are going to continue with Google. It's going to allow us to pick our name. We're going to do that. And there you are. You are all back in and everything is good to go. Now, when we close out of this, let's go ahead and go back to our Clever page here. We're Millie still. And what we're going to do is now that we're here and we see our apps, we're going to click that star up here. And we are going to add Clever to our bookmark bar so that anytime she needs it, she can get back in quickly. I'm going to go ahead and close out of all of this, and I'm going to show you how that works. They get back on Google. They click Clever. They should not need to be logged back in every time, but if they do, they will always click Login with Google. I have my settings turned off to where it automatically keeps us logged in. But once they click Login with Google, it's automatically going to click them, make sure that they are active. It should be super simple, and this is how we will be able to get logged back into Seesaw. Now, this will still work, the bookmarks bar at the top where we added Seesaw, but it will not work until you click through this district link. So if you have any questions, please let me know. And I hope this explains it well enough for you guys to use it. But if you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.